Preheat breakfast sandwich maker until green preheat light comes on. Lift cover, top side and cooking plate. Lightly brush butter one side of each side of sandwich maker. Place one bread slice, keep it on breakfast sandwich maker. Top with cheese slice, put coriander leaves over it, sprinkle chili flakes and keep other bread slice over it. Close cover. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Lift upside of sandwich maker and brush butter on sandwiches and close cover for 1 minute more. If you want to more crispiness, then you can increase your time limit. Lift upside of sandwich maker and carefully remove sandwiches with plastic spatula. Sandwich is ready.